Hi, once again with a new video. I'm Viraj and this is my YouTube channel Maths by Viraj. In case if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Children, in the previous video that I uploaded, I taught you how to multiply decimals and whole numbers by 10 and by powers of 10. In this video, I'm going to teach you all how to divide decimals and whole numbers by 10 and by powers of 10. In case if you find this difficult, you can always go to the description below, find the links for my other videos, that is videos on the indices and videos on the multiplication by 10 and by powers of 10. Right children, let's look at the example on the board. Now here 46.9 is to be divided by 10. Now children, 10 can be written as 10 to the power 1. Now in multiplication, what we did was, when there's decimal point, when you multiply by 10 or by a particular power of 10, you shifted the decimal point towards the right. Now what is it? It is division. So what are we going to do? Now in this case we are not shifting or making the decimal point to move towards the right, but now we are moving it towards the left. Now it is 10 to the power 1. Therefore, the decimal point is going to jump once towards the left. My right hand, my left hand, now it is being divided by 10 to the power 1. Therefore, the decimal point jumps once to the left, giving us the answer 4.69. Further, if you look at the same example, and if I divide this by 1000, now we know that 1000 is 10 to the power 3. That is 10 multiplied by itself for 3 times, you get the answer as 10 to the power 3. Look at that. Now you don't have enough numbers. So what are we going to do? We are just going to put a couple of zeros in front and write 46.9 divided by 10 to the power 3. In the previous instance, 10 to the power 1. Therefore, the decimal point jumps only once. In this time, it is 10 to the power 3. Therefore, the decimal point is going to jump how many times? 3 times. And what is the direction? Towards the left. Giving us a final answer 0.0469. So, children, always remember, when you divide a particular number, that is an integer, whole number or a decimal, by 10 or by a particular power of 10, the decimal point is going to be shifted towards the left. That is, now the decimal point is going to go forward, because the final answer should be smaller than the answer that which you first started off with, because now we are doing division. If you look at this example, 75. Actually, you can't see a decimal place or a decimal point. Actually, the decimal point lies at the end. You can put in a number of zeros. But what is most important is that you understand 10,000 is 10 to the power 4. That is, 10 is to be multiplied by itself for 4 times, and you get the answer as 10 to the power 4. So I'm going to rewrite this whole sum again as 75, couple of zeros, to be divided by 10 to the power 4. Look at that. I've got no numbers in front. So let me put some numbers in front. Numbers in sense 4 zeros in front. Now let's look at the answer, the final answer. It is to be divided by 10 to the power 4. Therefore, the decimal point is going to jump 4 times and 4 times towards, yes, towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the final answer, children? 0.007500. Actually, having zeros at the end, they actually do not count, and having two zeros in front, we do not usually write like that. Therefore, the final answer is 0.0075. Children, I hope you understood today's lesson. So, stay home, stay safe. See you in another video. In the intersection part, and the elements of the set P. What are the other elements that are on the set P? So we can write them here. 3, 5, 7.
Sir, Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha, yes.
Do we always have to draw the Venn diagrams, or can we do the calculations without drawing the Venn diagram, sir?
Very good. Very good question. Actually, if you all can do the calculations without drawing the Venn diagrams, much better. Hi, I'm Viraj. I'm online English video match tutor කෙනෙක්. මගේ online classes වලට join වෙන ඕනම ළමයෙකුට experience කරන්න පුළුවන් school එකක ඉන්නවා වගේ අත්දැකීමක්. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? ඔයාලට මගේ ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න පුළුවන්. මම ඔයාලට මේ ප්‍රශ්න වලට උත්තර දෙන ගමන් මම උගන්වන්නේ. මොකද මම කරන්නේ කලින් රෙකෝඩ් කරපු videos නෙමෙයි real time live videos. Hi, I'm Viraj. I'm an English medium maths tutor. So if you join my online English medium maths classes, you can literally get the experience as if you are learning in a school. You all can ask questions, I can answer your questions, and we can communicate because I am doing live classes through Zoom. So stay home, stay safe.